Hello, this is question 8A of the 2022-2023 NECO examination, and it says evaluate without using table 5 log 2 plus log 40 minus log 12.8. Now, let us get into it. We can rewrite this to become log 2 raised to the power of 5 plus log 40 minus log 12.8. We can express this to be 128 all divided by 10. So from here, from the first law of logarithm, let us take it further. 2 raised to the power of 5, that is 32, plus log 40 minus log 128 divided by 10. So from the first law of logarithm, so log could be 32 multiplied by 40 and minus log 128 divided by 10. So from the second law, which is 32 multiplied by 40, so divided by 128 divided by 10. So we can transpose this to become log 32 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 10 over 128. So if we open this bracket, log 32 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 10 over 128. So this will become log 12800 all over 128. So if we divide, so log 100, which means log 10 raised to the power of 2, which can be written as 2 log 10, and log that the natural log is in log 10, so our final answer is 2. So that is the solution to question 8A of the 2022-2023 NECO examination. It is a series for other solutions within the series. Please check my channel, they are very much available. Until I see you next time, please remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. If you have any question, any query, please put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Thank you very much. Till I see you next time. Be good.